Today's ride takes me from Peel to Clevedon, Peel, Portbury, Clevedon, then come back to Port Zed and go that way. Coming through, mate. So the route takes me, as I said, from Peel. So it's the 26, cycle route 26. Easy one to follow. Beautiful day. Perfect for a good old cycle. Definitely one of the nicer cycle routes in and around Bristol. The cycle track to Port Zed. It's that easy to follow. Definitely good for families if you've got kids. Cheers, buddy. The cycle track itself takes you around the back of the docks, Portbury docks. So once you start to see all the vans and cars, then you know you're on the cycle track, the right route. If you're lucky, you might even spot some deer. You never know. Right, going through the village of Portbury. Where my mate lives, Lee. Nice little place. And pub, the village hall. Diverge. Clevedon, 7 miles. I always wonder what they put the scaffolding up with the oh, I see, they're putting new wires up. Aha, that's what it is. That is some serious scaffolding there. Guys are out there. Fair play. Fair play to them. Wow, look there, look. Morning, morning. Definitely looking for that quintessential English ride, Sunday cycle ride. This is it. Some incredible houses as well. Beautiful places. Definitely, if it's open, got to stop at the Black Horse. Lovely garden, good cider. Awesome little pub en route and on the way back. Clapton Court, what a beautiful building. Entrance. I don't think we got too far to go now. Maybe a couple of miles. Morning. Yeah, maybe a couple of miles. And then we'll cycle down onto the seafront and get told off again for cycling on the path. Or maybe not. It's just too beautiful to stay in today. Too beautiful a day. Definitely coming to the end of the lane now, Clevedon Lane. Get to the end, you turn left. Down to Clifton Town. Not Clifton Town, Clevedon Town, sorry. Down onto the seafront. and then back and grab a coffee somewhere. There we go, at the end. Clevedon seafront, right. Right, Clevedon town. We're on the one way, I'll cycle a bit somewhere. Have a coffee on the way back, I think. Right, Clevedon seafront, no cycling, right by the walls, as they say. Something's going on today, I think it's a swimming thing, but we'll have a look in a minute, see what's happening. Here we go, Clevedon seafront. Alright, coffee done. Not bad. 8 out of 10, Jenny's Cafe in Clevedon. A nice chocolate cookie, shortbread. Right, after leaving Clevedon Town Centre, heading back towards Clevedon Lane in the glorious sunshine, as you can see. The actual cycle route is pretty flat. There's a few little gradients, but it's pretty simple, to be honest. I think even families can do it. Just watch out for the traffic. Very few cars, but do watch out for the traffic because some of them do go a little bit quick. So I'm going to head towards Portishead on the way back. So rather than the exact circular route back, we bear left at the end of Clevedon Lane to Portishead, but you'll see in a second exactly where we'll go. When you do hit the downhills, it's so much fun. Just watch out for the water pool. That there is the M5 motorway, and you go around that big bend and the big drop. So we're actually under that now, if you didn't know. Yeah, it goes all the way down there. See, that's where it goes, M5, and around there it's the big, it's the bridge, I suppose you call it. It don't look like a bridge when you're going over the top. Beautiful. Right, out of Clevedon Lane, and then we're heading to Portishead this time on the way back, so left. Alright mate, into Portishead we go, in the harbour to meet me uncle. It's definitely a beautiful place in the summer. Oh, it is a gorgeous place. Coffee done, cycle back, some lunch, chill. And somewhere here is going to be the new railway station, the rail track from Portishead to Bristol. I'm not sure where, this junction here, I think. Come along here. Let's have a look. Yeah, maybe along here, who knows. Cheers.
Just trying to be helpful.
Wham! Right, that's me done. Lovely ride from Bristol to Clevedon, Hill to Clevedon. Stunning day, good coffee, met up with my uncle, more good coffee and a chit chat, all good. Yeah, all in all, good day. On to the next one. Keep your eyes peeled for the Thailand road trip videos, so it could be a little bit insane. Right, until next time, adios amigos.